Well, it's 2021 here in the factory. Everybody's got the day off, but I like coming in on days like these and doing some of the work that I need to do undisturbed. But I'll give you a little walkthrough tour of where we're at right now. Got a big batch of C8s going together. They'll be done soon. I'm waiting on some shafts for those. VWs are waiting on flat wheels. And down here, the high tones are waiting on a couple of hoods. 24s are done, except one needs a switch box. And PTs are almost finished here. We've got some of them ready just for the spray guard, the only thing left on these. And it's a pretty nice batch of them. These couple of tops aren't on yet. And then over here on the left, shaping machines are ready for their hoods. Got to grease the chains on some of these, 3 of them, 4 of them. But looks like everything else is done. And I got more C8s that are getting ready to go. The shafts go in. The motor's all wired and mounted. It's a pretty nice batch. Hopefully this will kind of get us caught up because everybody's been pretty excited about this machine. And I'm actually going to work on this here this next week, get it done. It just needs the main drive shaft put in and put a cover on the control box. A couple of 20-inch saws. And over here we got most of containers worth of stuff to go in, all stacked on the right, and a few more things that'll go in that. Got a bunch of low-speed sphere machines, and we got control boxes. It looks like some ultrasonic drills about ready for powder coat. Big vibratory tumblers need to be set up and tested. That's about it. And we're welding a batch of the high-tone 14s there. And more control boxes. A couple of vices for 36s. High-tone 12s that are ready for a little grinding and then they can go to powder. High-tone 14s need to be assembled. And looks like some Everclean tanks here just done with welding. They need to be ground and then they can go to powder. And I just got sheet metal for 18s here to go together. So that's the next thing on welding. I think we're just about done with the 12s here. And then those 18s will go in. Oh, and I walked past all the hoods. We got a bunch of hoods. That looks like high tone and 18 hoods. More 18 hoods. Yeah, we got a bunch of stuff to weld. So, oh, and more crates ready to go. Yeah, I got a full container here. And then we just got our powder back on our 36s. We got a couple of 36s. One just came back. One's getting ready to go out. This one's ready to go out. This one's ready to go out. And that's pretty much it on the machining aisle.
Hey, thanks for watching today. If you like what you see, click the like button. Subscribe if you want to get more videos like this, and down below in the description you'll find a link that goes to our website. It goes to also what we showed you today, more information about that, and leave comments if there's things that you like, if there's things that you want us to do more on, if there's videos that you want us to shoot that we haven't shot. We're very open to that. We're really looking for ways to help you be successful in your endeavors with the tools and technologies that we create, as well as any other aspect of the hobby.